David, and one. I shall feel. Yeah, transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. Yeah, for my church, many say when you're going to romance in Ubia, ahoye. Yeah, me so me hoya pa na no pay the say no my time life anopa. Right, say topic be about say treaty. Since no panel, me sorry, my interview sir, so I decided to say there are so many informations at Dawson. But I'm from phone, so I say, oh, we are amazing, will be at 10 minutes, me or that see. Yetimu and church no money in Ango see us. So I decided to say, best 45 minutes be, and I bet 30 minutes be minimum and share the be about what happened yesterday. In fact, I'm going to me say, I'm saying, FM, I'm breaking news and then say, AC, I a ballot in every, say the position on the ballot, you know, find a better hand, all that. So he came out say number 1 to number 12 and obi bia obi oda na ohwa omo ko about the dogs, but I mean wonim meaning say what matters in the MPP and NDC in this 2020 election. The matter woman no. Yes, omo maka no bit menya kaka but omo a in fact say about for you know almost your MPP number 1 and then NDC number 2. And you know, about a man for kasa people are just talking, you know. Everybody say more than number 1 MPP for no. Almost say wow, Nanado the first, you know, one touch, you know. And not so then they didn't kind of wawene Nana for 1, wawene that kind of thing. And this is also Muhammad the 2, second coming of Muhammad, 2 sword, 2 banker, that kind of thing, no. See, when no money there, everybody say Obe who say Obi Bia or the Obeka, and you know say Nipa there, you see I dream about food too, and I say opinions are like gnosis. I dream at second, Obi I don't have any. Maybe the woman in for you, Obi the get to where be, and Obi say the who I say or they go heaven, Kakraka. Anything no opinions are like gnosis. Obi I don't have any way. Anything, everybody say we know it is not about baby a older walk and a baby a wide walk. And now who you think say, obviously no sound, there should be sound. Obia, baby a wakoma war, baby a wide one, it doesn't matter. The reality, the crave woman, and there's a way that is obiti. But politicians, they do say, Obi Bia, Bezobiti, Bia, the only thing they say MP before, almost person, I did become Bia and should favor them. Say, this is for, almost say, I did become Bia and should favor them. But nature works with different principles and different laws. The principle that governs this material world, it is not a principle that every favor and I may now be. No, a principle that's the reality. You can lucky align with destiny and our star. You thank God, okay? And you know what we're gonna do today, no, is something amazing. An idea I have been doing since I checked the evidence from 2008. We did this calculation. 2012, we did that. 2016. 2016, because I mentioned that year interview or multimedia, me call YouTube cry and about the positioning. Who is going to win? Emma, even who's to do beside me something about US force the more presidential election, no, how it was going to happen and all that. So and then this year, 2020, so I say you and me person me breaking news to know how more transformation for them an idea how the whole thing is going. So me person over share this feed, okay? So bet me and share the feed. You can like our feed. Bet my inviting crowd for I'm on my back because I'm not for be na from it since morning, but there are so many points that I want to give it on this platform. And not here we have so many interviews where I put my channel pa TV, radio, or BBI is calling. I'm only one person that can be at one place at a time. So you better be able to meet my but so now I'm making interviews out there. But you see, you know, the person I will share so feedy, okay? Now and you will the other at times, you know, the numbers in the bus are no be able to team, no, I can't be a nickel. But before I remember a next subject matter to TNE, numbers are very, very, very important. Numbers are very, very, very important because the whole material universe in hanging on numbers. The whole material universe is actually hanging on numbers. Do you be our fan numbers serious? Won't see Abrabasi. Abrabon is not just by chance. Nyango Ponto Tieno or the brand a year Juma. Those laws, no, and then the manipulating no make us will be assay. Say, see, I am a timid man, may sad life telecasting. Baby, I will be our heaven. So when in Pepe say a computer now, I'm going to baby, I will woman, Namaso Mekasa, Oteminka, a computer, and a salesman. So see, I bet me for my phone. Name or number, name friend, now ring it, open, I make a star, Betty, Okasa Betty, a computer, now my advantage, yes, I did. But baby, I say computer and Casano. What actually controls computer? So you'll be able to imagine the cry. Say, computer operate based on binary numbers. Computer a numbers and operate without numbers, the computer cannot operate. The American trying to say we are seeing at the honor. It is numbers that controls the universe. Now the bahu no more. Computer na BBA boss was as here. Everything is about computers. And the computer can say any juma without numbers, because computer is operating on the different say binary numbers. Number or number, me want number will be our number. Everybody that's have one, because I didn't go point channel. So you'll be an I would see me. I'm metaka safa numbers. You know, my examples will be based. So you'll be a OJ Bible no crazy. Maybe you're a Christian now, you're Cremonian. Now you'll be winning the Bible story. You'll understand. Say Jesus is one personality or very famous everywhere he is, and Jesus will be to me check the numbers. I know yes no the year juma. Do be kind Bible or see who yes no. And yansafo bi efra pue e no mu se nsomo be pue no mu di nsomo na chia no be pue Bethlehem. Bisa ho say de no mu ya wo he bi o ba bi, because say omo ye nkrofo omo hu ade e wo nsomom e stars. So people are numerologists, people are astrologists and all that thing na no omo operate based on this realm. They say obi omo eastern world, they saw say a king has been born in Bethlehem or Middle East, and omo trek ya to that end, and when they came there they met their parents. When the Bible can be said, or you see the word the wise men, because sa nim deal in a fan numbers of one is our metaphysical things. No, when you say be badrima, a bear diam as over to the Bible can say, Omuyans are four. Sanyans are four by Yesu, and we the Bible can say, Omuche Yesu, and Mama Comacomiansa. Or see, they gave him 3 items. Omuma Lutz Kawoko, Omuman incense, and Oman Kurubu, actually 3 things they gave. Mark that number 3 down. Marking it down. So you'll be only Bible story here. The first time I used to go, I saw them go preach here when he was Mfiahe. Time when I used to go preach the first time I go preach, I saw them. Bible so now what 12 years. And they know real fear. Maybe real fear. And you know, say in numerology, you know, over combining all the numbers together to also bring one decimal figure. And you know, yes. You say, oh, preach here, no, 12 years. 12 is 1 plus 2, about 3. Don't forget to, you have 3 back with that. And you have 4 years, I don't know who is in Solomon, or Mokoy, and Omochi, and Nomami, and second, when he was 12 years, that was the first time I saw them go preach here. So when he said, yes, first, you have to do me. There were 12 disciples. Don't forget, 12 1 plus 2. It will give you 3. And you have 3 different 3s, And among all the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ, no one and send be a very close to our normal band, see, that's all 3. Well, you have to say yes, you're born as soon or 30 years. But you can share the video, you can invite your friends. Today we're going to open some secrets here. Well, you have to say yes, you're born as soon or 30 years. He was baptized at the age of 30. And 30 is 3 plus 0, which will give you 3. And yes, you can say, Obewu. No wua nansa the 3rd day or sorry they are making a yabo wadi mu ya tinsema se yebe wa oso wua obeso the 3rd day nansa oka kire Peter say Peter answer na akoko ni bebo me pensa no na wa yinya ma pensa. Are you forgetting about that? Or say or the nakru bi bebubu Sunday bi no the nansa si 3 days oyirafi. Even yes, you at the age of 33, which is also the multiples of 3. This is what you do. You're back in kindness. You will get to a point, say, Jesus now is so famous, that personality, you know, he was actually operating on number 3. Now, me can you know number, I'm assuming a number. Obi biya what the numbers. Obi biya what the number. That the entire number, I go here and say, hey. Say, my mention what did say, or the saying football for the mobile ball. No, or more numbers are or more choosing. What can say a quana or mobile team? No, or mobile team. Number will be on the star, and the number beat me up 1. And into the numbers in no, idea very important. When you be regardless, I don't want to be regardless. We're red room, we're orange color. Only men be regardless. Cocoa pen and be regardless that way. We're orange and you're red. And people color near white, or maybe blue and not red. You know. So this is not be regardless. This is my dress. I'm in fact matching. But today is Wednesday. Today, you know, I have to use blue. Anything of blue. Why? So people don't have sense to reason when we are talking about important things. So don't mind the people. Until today, what we're going to do is numbers are pretty, and the number na ankasano, but when you orange and red, why orange color numbers ankasano obi biya no what the baby ojina. Okay, and into no number 3 no na ejina homa Jesus Christ. Sana wa me no kase o number, and na me so me wo me number obi biya na den e wo the number. Huh? Your football players and obi biya the number choose because it goes along with your star. Omo names are normal. Okay. So please, yan shall say, let me go through some few things, be not things in Biase. So Unima 2008, and I a bit me a carefree because I honor MPP, any NDC koi. Nipa me no mujina MPP ni NDC and no 2008, no me now about to. Even though na anado against former president of film, Mills. But now Mahama can take it in the Hontino. You bet me still now use 2008 as a case study. In the 2008, but you tell 2008. So okay, yeah, Twabano on the 7th of December 2008. That day, na Sunday, na Pasiada. Na MPP at the number 1, and the NDC at the number 3. But you tell 2008, yeah, Twabano 7 December 2008. Na Sunday, that day no na MPP ballot is no more than number 1, and na NDC so at the number 3. Na Saturday na ya Twabano 7th December 2008 no na number 2. Okay, and na Sunday na ya to no. So we check here, Mills and a winner here. Na so come I bet you the NT Mills a win here with the numbers. Because John Evans Atta Mills. Okay, can you know the bomua? Ebema on a number. Okay? And a date a wo Mills no 21st July 1944. And also never the number. Mills ya won a Friday to a coffee. Okay? And until the oha Mills ni din Okabom John Evans Atamos Okambomua ebema on number bi sana ni din kofi no so da ya wona Friday kofi no so ebema on number bi ni date of birth no so ema on number bi owo ni lucky number sa so no owo ni lucky lucky days there are so many things that are at the end of the day we are doing no be hu ba bi eko you will get it so ya to abano 2008 year to about the first one year to on Sunday, and according to numerology, no Mills the lucky day is Sunday. What do you need? Mark the lucky day is Sunday, and now about 2012 so 2012 no year to abano on the 7th December 2012, which was number 6. Year to on Friday, okay. MPP at that time not ballot no way number 3. And the NDC so no way number 1 on the ballot. 2012. Mills, I was saying John Dramani Mahama and a winner here. So what check it John so the date of birth. What check it ni din John Dramani Mahama no ya wono Saturday into your friend of Kwame. Now what check it that na year 2 abano. I 7 December 2012 and number 6. Now check a position of mother number 1 now. About the 2012 none of the numbers also favors John Dramani Mahama. Over 2016 year to about 7th December 2016. Okay, Kabomana number 1. That year to about Wednesday. Ne MPP at the number 5. And the NDC at the number 3. Now the Kokoba and says, okay, Nanado. Nana Ado winning our 2016 I had you not as yet. Nanado Nedin Nana Ado Dankwa Akufuado no. Okay, Kabomua. Don't forget say our Williams Ekahon. Okay, can you have the bomb? Bama come number 8. Nanado year on the 29th of March 1944. Okay, Kaboma Ebama number 5. Dana year to abana 7 December. 7 December 2016 no. Na and so na number 1. But na Wednesday Don't forget that Nanado was born on Wednesday to Oyakweku. And at the date of birth, look at number 5. Now MPP at that position number 5. Okay? So what I say, you'll understand why Nanado won the election in 2016. So the numbers, I tell you, don't play with them. A idea and to shame at the whole from beginning of creation up to now. To be piano need numbers, understand say numbers play very significant role in our life. Okay, obi or knowledge is the person knows. Until 2020, I'm mentioning we going to 2020 right away. Now how the whole thing is going to play out. But don't share video now, but my share video no. Many share we will interview from what's going to quickly no may not media baby number. Why? So we have 2020 now. I mentioned what there 2020. Nanado. Yaga the Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo. In numerology, each of these letters know what the number. And to check in the bomua Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo. Ebema number 6. And then go the Williams. With the Williams Ekamwa. Now the Kwakuni Kwakama Ebema number 8. So the Dia and Ado Ukraine Okabo money animal 8. Okay? Yaga Didi. Oba ni di Kwakuni Kwajin Homa 4. And the date of birth in the year 29th of March 1944, no, Ebema 5. The year to aba a year 7th December 2020, okay, Kabuma, Ebema number 5. But year to abanada a year Monday. Okay? Now the lucky numbers or your Aries. When the year so let you say or your 29th of March into or Aries. Aries, the lucky number is number 9 and number 6. And on the lucky days, Tuesdays, Saturdays, and Friday. But I didn't know secret to say. So okay, now the dinner, okay, you know the bomwa. Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo Williams Kwaku. Okay, Kabuma Ebema number 8. Number 8, it goes along with some numbers and the positive numbers. 1, 4, 8, and 5. Now, so fortunately, or that number 1, ballot on so. Uti, me say order 1 or ballot. It means that now the ding na Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo Kwaku Williams, the number 8, it goes with number 1 in the position or the platform or ballot on so. Then the dim Kwaku so. Over Kwakuna number 4. Number 4, so it moves with number 1, number 8, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Until the Kwaku goes with the position of our ballot into number 1. No. And now by the date of birth and Kasana, you won on 29th of March 1944. No. Okay, Kabumema number 5. Number 5 also moves with number 1, number 2, number 9, number 6, and number 8. So it means the date of birth and so on. A favor no on the number 1 na or platform no so no. But unfortunately for him also no, day na year 2 abanankasa no. Don't forget, day na year 2 aban a Monday. But now the lucky days a Tuesdays, Saturdays, and Fridays. And the lucky number so yeah 9 and 6. But that year 2 abano number no a number 5. Okay? So what go to where you now you'll be a winning numbers more. Obviously, why did they lose 2008 and 2012? Because 2008 number is different from 2020. 2012 number is different. Okay? Today I mentioned the analysis and I made about the numbers no winning. 2008 that is 12 bank. 2012 time at 12 bank. 2016 time at 12 bank. Over winning you know where I'm going to. Now but they make no and yes say MPP ever winning and NDC ever winning. Me come be here. I will tell you what and what they may go at the end of the day on my 12 okay? Until Mr. T see what I'm saying. Who will be follow me a me both MPP NDC. I don't like them because me so money na no air back. The day ban ko come money na free abusion back. Mr. Sanko I don't trust them. Both MPP and NDC. I know you be follow me a I've been telling you about 2 about men to MPP to NDC. But when your numbers and numbers him them create yet a nature not created so you use as a taste. Some of us here kind of create the linear where you are making ABNDC Nibia. MPP ni bi office bi American enkoma MPP no bo say why say obedi do atem. That's okay. At least ni supposed to do atem. But to be tea me ya analysis ni nyina wi you understand? Obi say that you are wearing MPP colors. Oh what? MPP colors ni yom colors ni. MPP are red, white and a blue way and orange color. And MPP colors. And they are wearing the dynamic colors way. Why? Nditi me ya analysis ni nyina wi you will understand if I talk about me share feed no. And then no yanko Mahama so na ka de. John Dramani Mahama yanko na ka de bi. Hwɛ. First thing, John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama. Nidin John Dramani Mahama. Okay, can you know amount number 7? Uti, amount number 7. And don't forget that Mahama ya won on Saturday the friend Kwame. The Kwame no amount number 8. Now, John Dramani Mahama. Ne date of birth 29th of November 1958. Okay, kabomwa ebema number 9. And adana year 7 December 2020 amount number 5. That day is Monday. And another I mean John Dramani Mahama, the lucky numbers 6, 5, 3, and 8. Okay? Me say John Dramani Mahama based on the date of birth and or Sagittarius on say fire element. The same way another year fire element as Aries, you know. The lucky numbers are 6, 5, 3, and 8. And about the lucky numbers lucky days are Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. These are the lucky days for John Dramani Mahama. Take your analysis in here. So we are Nidin John Dramani Mahama number 7. Amount number 7 now who say number 7 not here. Number 7 a move with number 2, number 1, and number 4. And you know, Mahama is on number 2 on the ballot. Now the dini you know couple amount number 7 no 7 no goes along with number 2. So it means that the position no will also favor him there. Then he didn't find a Kwame no number 8. Number 8 you know so no it goes with number 1, number 4, number 8, and number 5. Don't forget, say that day na year 2027 December no so number 5. So it means that the Dean Kwame no will go along with that number 5 now. Number you move with the Dean Kwame no. And then the date of birth na 29th November 1958, you know. Okay, kabuma amount number 9. So number 9 so it moves with 3, 5, 6, 9, and 2. And he is on number 2. So it means the date of birth and so no, it favors him with the number 2 now or that ballot and so no. But the theory say, so we about when you better and same baby there are many things that's going to happen this year. So abana you better you turn Monday. You turn Monday. Now you turn every Monday. You will be see. And I say abano so you took na your pushi call the next day Tuesday. Will you be see? See, let me tell you numbers. Don't play with them. So what we are doing per year, Mahama the date of birth 29th of November 2020. About now 9. 9 also it moves along with the position number 2 no the ballot no. So it means that there's some serious luck there because the star Kasana number 9 and number 9 moves with 2. And don't forget to say Nana Akufo-Addo so also the date of birth no okay we number 5. Number 5 no it moves within the position of that our ballot so number 1 no. Don't forget to John Dramani Mahama ni Dean Kwame na on Saturday no. And also your number 8 but it moves with number 5. Number 5 no say 2020 year to about 7 December number 5. And then another so the date of birth no okay kabomwa 29th of March 29th of March 1944 no okay kabomwa number 5 and that number 5 means the day that we are doing the voting. So Mahama then number day na 5 no Mahama the Dean Kwame no. And now the date of birth is number 5 so February. And this say ya 2 Monday na say year na bibia nsia. I am telling you say I know who is going to win the election. Sanso na say ya to na bibia si Monday na abale antimi anto awie. Yes o ebia area ha area ha o mantimi anto ebia nso bi to bibi ntino ebia ya postpone to the next day. Huh? Because I shifted from the Monday to the Tuesday, no, the election, the result is going to change in the favor of somebody. What I'm saying today, you might not understand. But unfortunately, African children, so when someone is speaking about some things you don't know, you need to take your time. Okay? About way, Nipakro be winning. I'm telling you, we know. Obi say what of gum? Mami can no be about who is going to win, no, that's not based on only one factor. Many factors combined together, and the bachelor will be a obetime leading in an election. Okay, Mami show what did it. So we are now betimi ado anya nobaya. Many factors, so any one factor so. See, I say kuyani obi o farmer. So we are farming na. So we betimi anya no papa. Many factors nya ba kope. The first factor is say, as I say, unya fertile land. That's the first thing. Who's here? As I say, unya fertile land. That's the first one as a farmer. Number 2, as I say ensuo beto. Na ensuo no ane to beto no, as I say eto at the right time. So go do aburo na ensuo no to na anto the right time a ebetumi ase aburo no. Enye ensuo so nko a wo hia say awia bebo. Na awia ne bo no so no, as I say ebo at the right time. Ndi ebe ne go do afuo. Oh, very good fertile land. Huh? Oh, very fertile land because okokoye afuo. Na say ensuo anta even though we fertile land but we not by any year. We say Andy Cole say you predicted tsunami in the USA but it never happened. Go and check what is happening in California. I specifically mentioned California. One who's here California. How many days is he here? Go and check the date I gave. California, go and see. And swear for California, go Google and check. Says 2020, California getting flooded. Go and check, you will see. Huh? And you know, I told you that Turkey there were 2 different kind of earthquakes. A bit of Turkey, exactly the date I mentioned. It happened there with the percentage you see. See, the numbers don't play. And on your prophecy, we am telling you predictions based on the numbers. There was a tsunami in USA, California specifically, and I said that in January 13th. Go back and check my videos. No, I'm not one of these prophets now on mobile TV, so no, I'm not a prophet. I'm not a pastor. Huh? I'm not a prophet. I'm not a pastor, but I am a psychic. Go and check the news. I mentioned specifically where. California, US state in here. I mentioned California and it happened. Go online. Check. California getting flooded for days in 2020. And they'll tell you specifically the time I gave you. I don't forget this. I told you, say 2020, the economy is going to crash. Huh? Anyway, maybe you don't know, so you go and check. So what I'm telling you is, what you're creating, not say, so when you good yield that your many factors as I will consider. See, your many factors as I will consider. First one, the fertility of the land. 12 ago, I'm on for friend. Me tell me quiet TV interviews will be. Yeah, me say when you create the first thing you need is the fertility of the land. The second one you need is rain, and not just rain, but at the right time, the correct time. The third thing is you need sunshine, and not just sunshine at any time, but sunshine at the right time. The man say, Abana Yeton, the first fertility of the land, then they say MPP a big party, NDC a big party. Variables and they say omuna no ewo enough members, omo communicators are omo everywhere. Every constituency be an omo member, omo jina wa, omo stand their mom. So it means that the land is fertile for both MPP and NDC. When you fertile land na we and here say nsuo beto. Nti nsuo ya to say omo timi a file omo nomination. All the 275 constituencies they have people there. Every polling station constituency they have reps there. So it means the rain is good for them. Sunshine they say MPP are winning that. NDC are winning that. So all these variables goes in favor of MPP and NDC. Then the third one, the fourth one here, the mystical aspect of the position of their numbers. Everyone say gum at the number 3 and I'm in position on that. Gum number 3. Number 3 no kwa entimun decide who is going to win. Your position on the ballot no kwa entimun decide who is going to win. About 1 minute in a kingdom for one friend. Me get 5 minutes in a frame. Why? I'm at me check it. Why? Thank you. And the man say boom at the number 3. You human area first thing you need a fertile land and sana at the above be a bit by Gum doesn't have the fertile land because the party the case here, the members here, or every constituency biano or rep or man area biano or a police station is like all those things unique. So the fertile land now will be here and will be able to do so. You don't even have it. Until number biano will not do anything for you. Let me come back here. It is not only the sunshine and the water and the milk you need daba. Opa mansuo nto yie, mawiamo yie, na wasase na wudua de woso asase no enye fertile land a. Obedua den ensuo beto den enye yie because the land is not fertile. So yes, gum bet me a good number. Okay, I don't go bet me a good number. But the fertile land is not there. And the fertile land they say you must have a petty, which is a very huge one. Petty asu our members go and a fertile land. When you're fertile land, as I said, when you're insured to the right time, and they say you must have a rep in all the 275 constituencies in Nina. And not obey here, say we are more at the right time. As I said, when you're executive members on all these police stations, in all the constituencies, in all the electoral areas in Nina. So when you're going in area, it means you have a fertile land, the rain is falling at the right time, the sun is shining at the right time. Now, it depends on the mystical aspect. Who the numbers follows. They are don't call all that, They tell said they don't even have a fertile land. And that fertile land is a huge party with members, with numbers. And they don't have that. And in the fertile land, then you talk good no by so. If you are good no by not as sending ya, a Biaban Ember. Sansona, or fertile land. But in Suan talk a Yama Emboa. So it means say, Ube here fertile land, Ube here in Suoto at the right time, Ube here via. Then also, I feel there, me no man in a bay. Then the third thing is what don't nobody in a way, say a more simwa in so toy, a real boy, London here, and granted see what Burma or make me shabuning in Manasa. A banner, even though you had the fertile land, you had the rain at the right time, the sun at the right time, but because of some misfortune, so that's the timer. Numbers comes in and tell you who is going to win or who is not going to win. So they make a so head on the money, Mahama. The variables no nanadwa. This election, I'm telling you, say you're to Monday. Now you're to be na okay, you're on Monday. I know who is going to win. Eba say Monday no, you're not to abano. Now you're trying to be able to be a sinner. It is so. You're shifting from Abia Tuesday the next day. Now you're I know who is going to win. Because the number see, no matter how fortunate you are, who say one more, you are bobo. Team be the elbow, every Barcelona never battle elbow. Be a very good, you are bobo na you be a dear. The defense is good, the keeper here, the front line here, or more formation, but everything is good. By your back 1 minute, penal, over your big bobo, no pine, no chubby, not defense, not chip. That's where mistakes comes in. So people should understand. And yet numbers and and November will be our winning. All the variation in consideration you must consider all those things in. Don't consider we are now you know say who is this balloting position every favor. And I'm telling you, say, Ghana, for the sake of I remember MPP, no, some people are just insulting all that. Ghana, because we don't understand politics. So, Gianna, follow me, I will never mention names here. But today, I got so many radio stations and TV stations. What I do normally, my program in every year, not hosting now or hosting in my catcher and say, well, we're a media person. What I'm saying, no, I don't want you to put on air, but put on the record, say, make say natural. It will happen. Say the bear, Chinabino, is here. You can tell people, say, yes, Jana told me off air, when the baby. Because Ghana had 1 year careful. Now we have small mistake, or can't send me, Neko favor, MPP pet, and this is when you now be trouble, so they do what I'm saying. O can't some get 12 in a favor, and this pet, and before you never did what them. So Ghana had an answer 4 or more, my Dimodono. They don't get involved with politics because Omon pay all these things. Okay? But so the makers say, Meno, I give information and I'm a per record keeping. So today, all the stations are calling in. Normally, me be every year. Now my country host and say, I deal with you say the echo. When you say the echo. Please don't record this thing that back to all. Men won't you be a time no so you come and tell me, say, Jana, you told me this off air. So Becca 2016, me call or the saying me call me hear so many TV radio program on 2016 and I call last Friday UTV. That nice lady interviewed me. Me hear Trump there and I me hear Ghana there. So she asked me, so based on this, who is going to win? I told her, I said, no, I'm not saying that on air. My young man call off air and I'm getting that. They have a chair on when echo. So Tama Nanado, your boy Nanado are winning. The woman called me and said, what? How did you know that? I said, yes. I told you. Mobe Kaya 2012, me koye program, our Black Rasta program, our Hit FM. Until me nene be here, no. And Obisa me say, who is going to win? Jan, let me say, I won't tell anybody. I will tell you at the end of the day. See, my friend Black Rasta, and I'm the time, China Mekake and say, we know it's Mahama who is winning this election. Not knowing that many can know a record. I never knew. The chair be free or no, or more ball air. I never knew my program with you. Okay? Until I chill ya Yaboba Bano, not that I can best 3 days, but Yaboba Bano. People started calling me, say, congratulations, now can war. Hit FM say, Mahama never winning and pass while winning. That's 2012. And I'm saying, man, go baby. Also, no, Yabo Hit FM. And I remember saying when I was on Hit, I never made that statement. So I tell my friend Brad, I said, Brad, what happened on that day interview? No, so, Chino, not knowing, saying, I'm not casting me, put it on a recording, you know, okay, no boy. And I'm saying, no, you don't do this thing to me. So I stopped going there for a very long time and then actually, when they didn't come out, they come back. So the American journalist said, normally on air like this, I will not mention the name, but all will be a winning numbers. The American, you know, be a echo. You will see where it's going. And exactly how it's supposed to go. Because the numbers doesn't lie. There was therefore, me will interview will be among from me and Meko TV, radio, and all that. So, my number is here. I just wanted to have the Omo Makazo and a first city on the number 1 team. It says they don't need an able to cut. Or the number 2, a second coming in able to cut. The numbers specifically, no analysis here, a bachelor, be a aircraft who is going to win, who is going to lose, and the band you better your tour that day, no and another day, so all these variations in the numbers tells you, and you know where it's going to. Okay? The one with the moon numbers now. Moon is the number 1 there, number 1 AFS, or the number 2 there, second coming, the number doesn't support those kind of understanding. The numbers have ways and means that a check will be at the echo. So that American, you see this game, you know, all the predictions I gave, you know, everything has come to pass. Hope I share me interview me on Doom TV on the 13th of February or so. Now I say all the things I said, everything has come to pass. Because and I make us who be American say no. The numbers doesn't lie. The numbers will tell you say because of this, because of that, you win you see. I was say never more question be say I more than 30 minutes. There was so many interviews to do. Or my friend and say me come be a interview be na, but they better your platform so be on the radio, the TV, so that you can follow us there. But that's really Yankopon come be the be Musunia San Yankopon Pagu. The be Shanadon. Bye bye.